Today we're going to discuss rhythm. Rhythm is the heartbeat or the pulse of a piece of music, often best heard from the drummer. In music notation, this is a quarter note. It represents one beat. It consists of a head and a stem. The head is colored in fully. It can be turned upside down, down stem, or up stem. The difference is not really important why right now, but you don't want to do it backwards like this. Make sure you get that right. It's a D and a P, if you're thinking about it in terms of letters. The quarter note is worth one beat. Now let me explain what that means. When we developed, or when people developed this system of writing, there was no, I don't even know if there were sundials, like there was no precise measurement of time. So one beat is relative to everything else. So one beat could be, and each one of those could be one beat, or it could be, and each one of those could be one beat, or this could be one beat. Anyway, you get the idea. So this is one beat. Stay tuned for our next video. We'll get to more crazy types of beats. Not really, but sort of. Okay, bye.